Good Friday, everyone. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we see some unsettled weather in the northeast U.S., and that'll even lead to some mountain snows for portions of New Hampshire and Vermont. Farther to the southwest, we see some unsettled weather across Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado, which also could lead to some mountain snowflakes, especially in the mountains of Colorado. And then we see some snowflakes flying possibly also today in northern Nebraska. Checking out our nation's high temperatures for today, lots of cool air across the Midwest and central U.S. And if you can't tell where the cold front is on this map, then I just don't know. You see all that warm air ahead of it and the cold air behind it. And then look into the Pacific Northwest, very above average temperatures for that part of the country. Even parts of Oregon hitting 90 degrees or better today. The nation's hottest high temperature will be 106 near Death Valley, California. The nation's coldest high temperature will be 34 degrees in northern Wyoming. Checking out our 5-day outlook, we'll see some clouds floating across the sky today. And today will probably be the cloudiest of the next 5 days, though we'll certainly see plenty of sun today. But those clouds are complements of a cold front that's pressing through, and that's going to bring in some much cooler air, dropping into the upper 30s tonight with some patchy frost. And then Saturday, many of us won't even get out of the 50s. And then Saturday night, widespread frost likely as lows fall into the low to mid 30s. And then Sunday, we'll go back up to the low 60s and some patchy frost once again Sunday night, before we start warming right back up to the mid to upper 60s on Monday and low 70s on Tuesday. On this day in weather history in 1737, a cyclone caused 40-foot waves that are believed to have killed up to 300,000 people in Calcutta, India. Certainly a bad day in history for those folks. And then in 1959, on a much lighter note, 1959, the far side of the moon was seen for the first time thanks to the USSR's Luna 3 space probe. So for the first time in human history, we were able to see the far side of the moon. Certainly an exciting time back in those times. Exciting times today, too, just in a little bit of a different way. Well, if you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up. For even more weather information, just keep reading along in the blog, meteorologistmark.com.